Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
When you change jobs, you often face a decision about your old 401k. One popular option is a rollover into an IRA. This simply means moving your retirement savings from your old employer's plan into your own individual retirement account. It's a way to consolidate your funds and potentially gain more control, offering a fresh start for your retirement nest egg, and it's a common financial move for many. Rolling your 401k into an IRA can offer several advantages. Firstly, IRAs typically provide a much wider variety of investment choices, giving you more flexibility than your old employer's plan. Secondly, consolidating multiple old 401ks into one IRA really simplifies your financial overview. You might also discover lower fees or better expense ratios, which can significantly impact your savings growth over the long term, helping your money work harder for you. While rollovers have benefits, there are important considerations. One key difference is asset protection. 401ks generally offer stronger protection from creditors than IRAs do. Also, some 401ks allow penalty-free withdrawals at age 55, a benefit not available with IRAs. Plus, it's crucial to perform a direct rollover to avoid potential taxes and penalties, ensuring your money stays safe. A rollover isn't always the best choice. For instance, if you anticipate needing to access your funds between ages 55 and 59 and a half, keeping your money in a 401k might be smarter. Some employer 401ks also offer unique, very low-cost institutional funds that you simply can't find in an IRA. And for high-income earners planning a backdoor Roth IRA strategy, a rollover could potentially complicate those specific financial moves. Ultimately, the decision to roll your 401k into an IRA is a very personal one. There's no single right answer, as it truly depends on your individual financial situation, your future goals, and what you prioritize. Take the time to consider all the pros and cons we've discussed. For personalized guidance, connecting with a qualified financial advisor can really help you make the best, most informed choice for your retirement savings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.